Welcome to the MultiSelect Reporting quick demo. I'm going to jump right in and set the scene. So it's Friday afternoon. The CEO has asked me, the admin, to put together a report of all of the accounts in our org, not many, there are only 15, grouped by region that they operate in and industry. So I have put together this report, but it's not very helpful. It's hard to parse. We see these complicated groupings here. Even if I include a chart, this isn't going to help the CEO. They are not going to enjoy this. Luckily, I've already installed the MultiSelect Reporting app. In fact, I'm going to jump right over to the MultiSelect Reporting wizard in a new tab and start there. So step one, to create a MultiSelect report, we need to create and save our source report. I've already done that. It's in this other tab. It's called Accounts by Region and Industry. And in fact, I've already done everything that needs to be done. So I'm going to hit next there. Now we can even see that in this list of recently viewed reports, there it is right there at the top. That's the source report I want to use. I'm going to go ahead and select that and click next. And it does a little verification on our source report. It says it looks good. It even tells us that it will be grouped by these two fields, and it'll display record count. Great. On to step two, where we choose a count method. I'm not going to go into this much. I'm going to go ahead and choose whole, which is probably what you'll always use when doing a record count or frequency report. However, there is more information about the two different counting methods down here. For now, though, I'm going to hit whole and click next. Great. Step three, which is pretty much the last step. We're just about done. We need to save our new MultiSelect report. And to do that, we're going to open it up in a new tab by clicking here, hit Save As, and use this value, which I'm going to copy and save it in that location. So I'll go ahead and click here. That'll open up in a new tab. This will be another Salesforce report probably with no data. I'm going to hit Save As requested. I'm going to paste in that value there and then make sure I choose the correct folder. Great. Once I'm done with that, I can actually close this to go back to the wizard and then hit next. And there we go. We're pretty much done. We actually already have our MultiSelect report. I'm going to click here to navigate to it. And what we're going to see here is the same data, but recategorized into simple categories, simple groupings here. So for region, instead of having those complicated groupings with multiple pick list values and semicolons, now we've got the same data recategorized into simple groupings. This is quite easy to parse now. I can see exactly how many companies are in the Northwest and have energy right here. In fact, because this is a standard Salesforce report, I can even add a chart here, and with just a few clicks here, set this up correctly so that I can pass this on to my CEO, and they can see exactly what they want to see, get exactly the information they want to see in a much clearer, much easier to parse way. That's what we have. Thank you so much.